a good thing, showing me that I got glue in there. Put a C-clamp on here, and I'll let it dry for another 24 hours, so there's the 48 hours. Now I'm going to try to assemble a chair. Hey Nick, I'm doing good, ain't I? So now I'm going to try, is it all in the frame?
Not your face.
That's alright. So now I'm going to try to assemble the chair. Really sturdy with some 3-inch screws. And if this don't fix it, 3-inch screws here and there, going through into here. And if that don't fix it, I don't know. Wouldn't have to do this if I didn't have kids as big as me. Alright. So what I think I'll do is take this drill and get me a pilot hole. Get me a pilot hole. My other 22-year-old refuses to help me. He's being a sissy.
I'm actually taking care of a dog.
He's babysitting the. Put Baja on the screen so they can see. Back up, back up. There's my baby Baja. My little Chihuahua, 1 or 2. Then my other dog's a real killer. I'm gonna do a pilot hole so I don't split the wood again. I got to get a screw that's smaller than the actual screw, so the screw threads will zip on in there and go real tight. What I'm going to do right now is put it through the top. 2 screws in the top. I hope this is exciting. I hope this video is exciting for you as it is for me. And note the quality of the drill I'm using. Bosch. 18 volt lithium ion battery with how much torque? 500 pound torque. It would take my lame ass wrists and twist them and mangle them all to hell. So,
Mine too.
and my 22-year-old sons as well. It's got a lot of power. And okay. Alright, so we're gonna drill a hole through here.
You're not going to the table, right?
No. So we're going to drill a hole through here. What this is going to be is, oh, let's see. Maybe I shouldn't do it right there. Actually, I'm going to change up on that. I had it pre-marked where I want to put the screw holes on the bottom here, going through from the top. I'm gonna drill a hole here, use it for a guideline to drill through here. When I'm done drilling here, I'll tip the chair over, then drill through here with the leg on, and I don't know, I might have to do it that way. I might have to, because I got screw holes there too to worry about. Doing a little technical figuring here, people. Doing a little technical figuring. I'm 60 years old and never graduated. I'm just one smart ass daddy. Been there, done that. Self-proclaimed carpenter, auto repairman,